Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but essential for a sparkling kitchen: cleaning oven racks. Oven racks might not seem like a big deal, but they play a crucial role in your oven's performance. Over time, they can accumulate grease and grime, affecting the flavor of your food and even posing health risks. But fear not, with just a few simple steps, you can have clean oven racks and a healthier kitchen. First, remove the oven racks from your oven and soak them in warm, soapy water for a few hours. This will help loosen any baked-on grease. Next, create a paste using baking soda and water and apply it to the racks. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then scrub away the grime with a brush or sponge. Rinse the racks thoroughly with water to remove any residue, and voila! Your oven racks will be clean and ready to go back into your oven. And there you have it, the best ways to clean oven racks. Remember to limpier regularly to maintain a healthy and happy kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.